Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete emails in Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the Outlook 365 version that comes with Office 365, and there are two options or even three options to delete emails in Outlook. The first one is if you just point on the email that you want to delete, you can just click the bin icon and it will just delete this email. If you want to, you can also just select the email that you want to delete and just click delete right here. And if you want to delete multiple emails, just press Ctrl button, and while pressing the Ctrl button on your keyboard, select multiple emails that you want to delete and then just click delete. We have another video on our channel how to select many emails and options with that, and I will also show you in this video how to bring back the deleted emails. As you can see, here are the emails that I have just deleted. So if I want to bring them all in, I will just need to select them, as you can see what I'm doing right now. Let's select this too. Then right click on this one, on any email that you have selected, move to, and right here I have the inbox folder. We can also click other folder and move them everywhere that we need them to have. I want them to be in the inbox, so I just select inbox and I'm going to click OK. So as you can see, this is what I have done. I have just brought the emails from the bin to the inbox again. So this is how you can delete emails in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!